Cool, here we go. And then we'll go through. I like my grip upon the wheel, my knuckles white. I'm racing now, I'm getting home tonight. I've been hypnotized by these headlights passing by. I do my best thinking in my car at night. So I sip my coffee, man, I smoke my cigarettes. The radio plays that shit that you soon forget. A monotony of chorus, bridge, and verse. It's tedious, man, but the silence is worse. Crash and burn, crash and burn, crash and burn, crash and burn. My girl's so sexy when a motor growls and roars. We're pushing past the speed limit, but she's begging me for more. Signs say stop, better things to do. You here to rule the night, or is it not ruling you? Crash and burn, crash and burn, crash and burn, crash and burn. I'm shifting down, she's revving up, frustration disappear. There's power underneath my foot and therapy in the gears. The time I get myself back home, I'll need the road again. It's freedom on the highway, man, so good it feels like sin. Crash and burn, crash and burn, crash and burn, crash and burn. I sip my coffee, man, I smoke my cigarettes. The radio plays that shit that you soon forget. A monotony of chorus, bridge, and verse. It's tedious, man, but the silence is worse. That was Crash and Burn. This is One Seed. This is about the American farm. Where I'm from, trees don't grow up and down because the wind blows so, and the seedlings fly away. Looking for a soft place to land, it's fertile ground where a tree might stand, grow tall and join the sway. They plant their roots so far from home. The journey starts off fast but all alone. One day a forest will be made. Takes one seed and a little rain. One seed, one seed, one seed, one seed. It hasn't rained for 5 years now, not a trickle, not a drop comes down. I think farming's had its day. We'll save up and send the kids to school, 'cause city life seems much less cruel. We can spare them from the pain. We'll plant their roots so far from home. Journey starts off fast but all alone. One day a forest will be made. Takes one seed and a little rain. One seed, one seed, one seed, Where I'm from, trees don't grow up and down because the wind blows so, and the seedlings fly away. They plant their roots so far from home. Journey starts off fast but all alone. And one day a forest will be made. It takes one seed and a little rain. One seed, one seed, one seed, one seed. Woo! Thank you, sir. You clap, man. You clap. Thank you. That one's about Amarillo and my uncle. I was really worried about him for a long time, but apparently they legalized marijuana in Colorado, and I'm not so worried about him anymore. He seems to be enjoying himself a lot more. All right, this is Learn to Be Kind. I just wanted you to listen to the poetry from my mouth. I know my thoughts don't always glisten, but there's truth in them without a doubt. Well, I have called upon you to open your mind to me. I'm not the one to gawk at. I'm not a freak, as you can see. Loosely interpreted, art is just a state of mind. So open your mouth wisely, you must learn to be kind. You must learn to be kind. Well, I'm not begging for your mercy. Truth is more important to me. So if you truly feel that I'm no good, it really makes no difference to me. Well, I have called upon you to open your mind to me. I'm not the one to gawk at. I'm not a freak, as you can see. Loosely interpreted, art is just a state of mind. So open your mouth wisely, you must learn to be kind. You must learn to be kind. You must learn to be kind. Thank you. My guitars are loving the dry weather. So we're gonna do the flip trick actually. This is I've got plenty of space. When I was a child, I got a guitar for Christmas. I practiced and practiced and practiced on the guitar, and I swore I was gonna be the best guitar player in the world. And I wanted to start a band really desperately, but I didn't have any friends, so I learned how to make do. Sorry, I'm gonna mute. Yeah, it doesn't matter. There's no speakers, is there? I feel sorry for you having to edit that audio, though. All right. Just get that out of the way. All right, this is the flip trick. This is how it goes when I do it live as well. You didn't have to throw your phone down. Take two. Do you want to reset mics as well? You want to do? Because this is just an instrumental one. Do you want to reset the microphones just in case?
You want to cut? Or what do you want? No, keep rolling.
Keep them rolling, man. That was a great throw. I hope his phone survived it, actually. Yeah, I'm gonna step back here to do the throw them up in the air, so that should be fun right there.
Daniel, did you play T-ball? No. Down.
Did your phone survive?
I don't care.
All right, here we go. So this is called the... Okay, we'll go two. This is the flip trick. should I do one more?
Rodney, what was that one you were warming up, that you did, you were doing the voice check?
Oh, the momentum one?
Yeah.
Should I do that one?
Yeah.
Let me see if I can get my pant leg down again. That's a long stretch for me right now. You know, I've been working out, obviously.
Wearing his briefs.
My trouser leg. Cool, so we'll do one more, then we'll do that. Yeah, I caught it that time. So the odds of me catching it again, if we did it again, are pretty slim. So. Oh yeah, I completely went out of frame for you, didn't I? I should have warned you about that. Sorry about that. It just disappeared. If you're watching in the frame, like, did he fall down? Okay, let's get that turned on. Yeah, that one's always a worrisome one. Fortunately, I've got some super glue in my guitar case. All right. You guys ready again?
Still rolling.
Okay. You want to pull focus as I start the song?
Yeah.
Okay. Cool. I like your thinking.
Look at that stud.
I'm telling you, man.
How do you want me to cue you?
I'm ready.
All right, 3, 2, 1, cut.
I've always been a fan of underdogs, a little man in a fight. The David and Goliath stuff, you know that might ain't always right. If you wanna have a hand in fairy tales, be a legend in your dreams. You might just be the little man, but strength ain't what it seems. You keep moving on. Momentum makes us stronger. You keep moving on. Keep moving on. Odds are surmounting man, but changes in the air. Alone I am an easy target, but in us they wouldn't dare. We'll raise our hands up high together. We can lift our voices as one. Won't be knocking on the door any longer or asking days are done. Keep moving on. Momentum makes us stronger. We keep moving on. We keep moving on. I spin a sling around my head, my stone is gonna fly. A giant's coming down these days, at least I'm gonna try. Empires built upon the backs of those never meant to thrive. It's time to take the power back and end all of the lies. Oh, oh, oh. I've always been a fan of underdogs, a little man in the fight. The David and Goliath stuff, you know that might ain't always right. If you wanna have a hand in fairy tales, be a legend in your dreams. Yeah, you might just be the little man, but strength ain't what it seems. Thank you. I need to learn how to end songs where it's not just like, ooh. Cool. Is that good for you guys? Yeah, should I tell some jokes just to fill it up, you know? No, you don't want to hear my jokes. They're bad. Cool. You good with that? Cool.
We're just going to keep rolling for Tesla, but you're good, sir.
Cool, man. Unplug some stuff.
Huh?
Or are you just gonna
Yeah, one of them cut, so we're just going to tell Slate. Tell Slate. Did you get it? All right, that's a cut.